Hi traders, you are welcome back to the Forex Geek channel. Are you struggling to identify break and retest opportunities? Well, this trading view indicator that we are going to be looking at in this video does all the work for you, or at least most of the work, right? So in this video, I'm just going to be showing you how to use the support and resistance signals MTF indicator to trade with confidence. Let's just quickly add the indicator to the chart right away. Okay. Support and resistance signals MTF indicator. So if you're serious about improving your trading, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Now, let us jump right in. So what is the break and retest strategy? You might be wondering, what exactly is the break and retest strategy? Well, the break and retest method is a key price action strategy used by professional traders to spot high probability trade setups. Okay, and then it's also used to avoid false breakouts, all right, and to confirm strong support and resistance zones. So this approach allows traders to wait for price to retest a broken level before making a decision. Now, how does the support and resistance signals MTF indicator work? How does this indicator work? Well, basically, this trading view indicator automatically detects key support and resistance levels. You can see them on the chart, right? Resistance levels detected in red, support levels detected in green, right? So these are important levels on the chart. If you are a technical analysis based trader, or rather a technical based trader, then you should know that support and resistance are very, very important, concepts in trading, right? In technical analysis, you can't do without them, right? So you can see that the indicator automatically plots these levels on your chart across multiple time frames. Okay, the indicator actually detects these levels across multiple time frames, and it detects valid breakouts and retests. All right. For example, we can see that here there was a resistance level detected and there was a valid breakout. You can see what happened here. Can you see bullish breakout? The indicator highlights that there was a bullish breakout, average trading activity. And after that breakout, you can see that here another resistance was formed. And then here we can see that we had price test the support zone. Can you see that the indicator is even giving labels? The indicator is giving labels, right? All right. Here we can see that there was a test of this resistance zone. Here there was a test of support zone. And then we can see that here there was a bearish breakout. You can see there was a bearish breakout from this support zone, right? There was a resistance here, there was a support here. After a test of the support, there was a breakout, a valid breakout. And then at this point, we have a retest of the resistance. Remember that one of the things that validates a breakout is a retest. So at this zone, we had a breakout, and then here we had a retest. So as a beginner, if you want to understand the concept of breakout and retest, this indicator can actually help you understand it even faster if you are following the indicator, right? Because the indicator is giving labels, right? So when a breakout happens and the indicator gives a label, you understand that that is what we call a breakout. When a retest happens, you understand that that is what we call a retest, right? So and so on and so forth. You get to understand the functionalities of breakout and retest. You got to understand the concept behind breakout and retest, how it works, how to trade it, and all of that, right? So basically, this indicator highlights these important points for you. So after a breakout has happened and a retest has happened, the ball is left in your court. In this scenario, this is a good place to enter a sell because the breakout and retest has already been validated. So the next thing for you to do is to sell. The indicator is not going to tell you to sell, right? The job of the indicator is to inform you about breakout and retest. So the next thing for you to do is to enter your positions, whether it's buy or sell, depending on the direction of the breakout. right? And then you can set your stop loss above the previous swing high for a sell, and set to take profit around support zones for, you can set your take profit around support zones for a sell, right? But if it is a bullish breakout, if you have a bullish move, or rather if it's a bullish move, right? You can see here, there was a bullish breakout. After you get your confirmation, you can enter a buy trade, set your stop loss below the previous swing line, you can target resistance zones for your take profit. All right, but if you don't have a good risk to reward ratio, you can just stay out. You can just stay out of the trade. Okay. Now, this indicator also helps you understand, or rather identify trend direction and price strength, because by the time the indicator is giving you, multiple indications of breakouts in one direction, you're going to know that the trend is strong. For example, look at here, we had a bullish breakout. You can see there was another bullish breakout here. High trading activity. You can see it indicated high trading activity. Here it indicated average trading activity. But at this point, the trading activity was high. And then you can see here, there was another bullish breakout, right? This was a resistance zone identified. Price broke out from that zone, showing that this bullish move was strong. The momentum behind this move was strong. Okay, so you should be looking for buy opportunities within bullish trends and looking for sell opportunities within bearish trends. All right, this is quite an effective indicator that you might want to consider using. Okay, whether you are a newbie or a seasoned trader. All right, so instead of manually drawing levels on different charts, this tool updates in real time, keeping your analysis clean and efficient. Now, to trade effectively using this indicator, just follow these steps. Okay, look for a strong breakout. Remember that the indicator highlights breakout points for you. So you look for a strong breakout